guys, thank you for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and my channel is called All the Pretty Things, and today I wanted to bring to you a haul. And this is not just any haul, but it is a haul of items that I recently purchased on Poshmark. And I want to talk to you a little bit before I started the video, got into the haul part, about what I'm doing right now during this time when I can't go out sourcing. So if you watch this in a future date in time, this is around the time where the coronavirus has basically put a lot of people in quarantine at home. They can't really go out, or they have very limited places that they can go at this time. And I wanted to purchase some items to resell because I can't go out thrifting, and I can't go to thrift stores or anything like that right now because most of those places are closed due to the virus, and I needed to find a place that I could source. So I sell on Poshmark. I'm a reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and I purchase on Poshmark pretty frequently, even more frequently than I do on eBay. And the other day I was looking because I really wanted to get some inventory in my home that I could resell, and I happened to find some items in someone's closet, and I put them in a bundle and was just kind of looking. It was late at night. I wasn't really planning on purchasing anything that night, but I wanted to look through there, and she had some good prices, and I ended up putting together the bundle, and she sent me an offer on a couple items, and it was like 68% off or something crazy. And I'm like, wow, she must really want to get rid of stuff. So I ended up declining her offer just because I wanted to purchase more items from her. And then I put together a bundle, and she sent me a fantastic offer, and I accepted, and she shipped out very quickly, and I got everything here now to show you. So I thought it would be a good video to kind of just to give you guys an idea of different places you can still source. Currently, you can still source on eBay and Poshmark. Those sites have not shut down. Most sellers are able to ship things out because the U.S. Postal Service is still going strong. And so definitely, if you need inventory, I think you could really find stuff on Poshmark. A lot of people, sellers, are really wanting to make some money, and people too that aren't normally selling that much, they're wanting to sell some stuff because they might be out of work currently. So you can definitely find some great deals. I didn't send her the offer. She sent me an offer, and so I was willing to accept it because I thought it was a really awesome offer, and I knew that it was a really good deal for the items that I got. I got some great brands like Desigual, or I don't know if you say it like that, but that's how I say it, Kate Spade, Joie. So I got some really great pieces that I'm excited to list, and most of these are actually listed already, so if you are interested in them, you can check the link for my Poshmark closet in the description. But yeah, I thought I would show you everything that I got, and hopefully this will give you an idea of where you can source as well still during this time. So okay, so one of the first things I wanted to show you is this really beautiful tunic. I think it's kind of like a cover-up to a swim cover-up. It's just really pretty yellow, and this is by Kate Spade, and it is an extra small. Not super small. I actually think this might be new, unless she thrifted this. But just such a good deal. It's so pretty. I had to get it. This I actually purchased just because of the style. I don't know the name of this. It's called Surya. It is new with tags. It's an extra small. It's kind of like an art to wear dress, and it's like a maxi. I actually purchased this because I really liked the way it looked, and it's got like buttons and patches and stuff on it, and lace. I might keep this for myself because I actually think it's just really cute, and I don't think it's too long. I think it'll fit me as like a maxi dress. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5 foot, so. Now this I thought was really awesome. It is kind of like a long tunic-y sweater, cable knit, and this is by Desigual. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The size tag is down here. This is handmade, and I just thought it was just such a cool, interesting piece. Some of their pieces do really well, so I actually think that this piece will probably do pretty good just because it's so unique. Okay. So the next piece was this really nice, it's like cardigan sweater. This is by Standard James Purse, which is pretty expensive new. I think that their resale value has gone down a little bit in the last year or so, but it's a really beautiful piece. I already have this listed in my closet, so it is a size 4, which I looked that up, and it translates to an extra large, so, or large. Extra large, I think. Okay, so this is a really beautiful Kate Spade top. It's kind of boxy and cropped with these beautiful bows. And it is a size 2. Definitely think that this would probably fit me, even though it's a pretty small size. It's kind of got a little bit of a stretchy material. And I thought that was super cute. I really like that piece. So this is, I think this is 100% silk, and this is by Joie. It is kind of like a swim cover-up. I think that's what the girl had it listed as. It is an older tag. I think this is the older tag. But it's a size small. It's really like lightweight and thin, and it's just a really cute. I really like it, and this is definitely the time to be listing swimsuits and any type of swim apparel. Okay, this is also something that I would consider a swim cover-up or a tunic. You could wear it definitely as either one. This is definitely one of their older tags. The other top, I'm pretty sure that was one of their newer ones, but I still think it's one of the older. Like, it's not as new as the new one, but I could be wrong. This is definitely an older one, I can tell. This is an extra small, but it is actually 100% silk, but it's like almost like it's like a different kind of material. Like, it feels more like linen, but however they spun it, it's really nice. It's long. It does have a flaw here, down here, which I just stated and I showed in the pictures and put in the description. Still really beautiful and can definitely be worn in the summertime over your swimsuit. Keep dropping stuff. Okay, this is another piece by Joie. It is a cold shoulder. It's an extra small cold shoulder. It has cute little hearts on it. It's like a cold shoulder. Doesn't want to stay on this hanger. Blouse. So it's just really pretty and very delicate. I thought that was really cute, and that's also 100% silk. A lot of Joie's pieces are silk. I got this for myself because I love Athleta, and this is just like a cute, just an Athleta maroon tank top. I have a lot of the tank tops that are the style from them because I love them, and yeah, I thought that was super cute. I got that for myself. Most of this is to resell, but that was for myself, and I normally do purchase if I purchase like a bundle, I almost always purchase something for myself. Okay, this I thought was really cute. She actually had cropped it and made it shorter, so it was a different length. But this is a rag and bone denim skirt. It's a size 27. It's just like very distressed on front and back, and I just thought that was really cute. I thought it was something to do well because it's a skirt and summertime and everything. So okay, so then I will show you the last two pieces. They're both shoes, and I couldn't believe she sent me the offer she did, because with shoes, I'm sure she had to pay extra in shipping, but you know what? If she wants to get rid of it and she's willing to take that and have to pay extra in shipping, that is totally fine with me. Okay, so the first pair are a pair of like strappy braided gold Kate Spade sandals. They're just a short sandal, you know, I would say 1 to 2 inches. Probably about an inch. But yeah, they're just cute, and this kind of wraps around the ankle area. Kind of wraps around. But I thought those were cute. And I've never found this brand before. Some do really well, and styles do really well, and some don't. But these are by Kelsey Dagger. She actually had them, everything was wrapped really nice as well, but I don't know if you can see in there. It's Kelsey Dagger. There you go. These are a size 8.5, and they're very tall. They're 4-inch heels, but they're just a really cool, and they're kind of like steampunky looking. So I actually put that under the style on eBay, but I thought those were cool. So that was the last item that I purchased from her. So I got like 12 things, and she sent me a really great deal on everything. I think I paid like $90. I think $90 was shipping, so a little less than $10 per item, which I thought was really good, especially with the 2 pairs of shoes, and just the quality and the brands I thought were pretty decent. Especially right now, it's hard to get out and to get things, so I really do think I can probably sell 2 or 3 of these items and get all my money back, so I was happy to do that. during this time. I mean, $10 is kind of like a lot to pay per piece or about, but you know, when you're not able to go out sourcing and get things at the prices you're used to, sometimes you have to pay up a little bit to keep things going and moving in your store and your closet. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content from my channel. I do have some B&G trading hauls and different things that are coming out soon for you guys, and just appreciate you guys so much. Please everybody stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!